guys, Running Kimono here. I hope you're doing fantastic. Walgreens went really well today. I found some summer clearance. I know this started hitting 90 yesterday, so we're going to talk about that. I had to rework a little deal here because the September P&G is coming out next weekend in my region, not this weekend. So sorry if it's the same thing in your area, but some people are getting it early. We're not though, so So anyhow, we had a very generous 5 off of 2 Colgate, so it just made this deal perfect. I had to get a little filler to get me to $20, but this was basically free plus like a $1.80 money maker today. So anyone can do this deal. I'll talk about that one. And then I found the mother load of 90% off that include a lot of these gummies, and then a lot of these vitamins and supplements also 90% off. So I'll show you the UPC and go through that. Last night there was a double dip on Walgreens.com. So between 11 and midnight you could do this double dip. It is a dead deal. But I got all of these for, I think I just got them for free. So that's not the worst little deal. And I didn't make a video because I knew it would have just, there were so many people all over this one, and invariably the website did crash. So if you were able to get on the site within the first 5 minutes, you got your order, but if not, you probably didn't. So anyhow, guys, I was able to, because I was like on the ball right at like 11:01, and I had the stuff in my basket. But I'll just go through it again if you guys want to know about this, and maybe in the future like this video if you want more double dips or you know, early activation double dips, this sort of thing, because there are sometimes the odd one. I just don't ever make videos because sometimes it ends up like for 55 minutes you'll be on the site and nothing will move, and that happened to a lot of ladies yesterday and gentlemen. But I'll talk about what I did to get mine successfully. Weather report for you. I'm really getting irritated with this weather. It's about 100 degrees. It's about 90, but with the humidex, it's more than 100, and it's a hot one. And we have little Suzu Angel there. Susie, you wanna say hi to everybody? Susie, hi. It's my most favorite cat. Pumpkin just stays with my husband all the time. But this girl is just so loving and nice. You want to say hi to everybody, Susie? Hi. Oh, aren't you sweet? Is your name Walgreens? We love you. We love you. Ooh. Okay. All right, let's talk about this first little deal. And again, apologies in advance about that. The P&G usually comes out, it's either the weekend before or after Labor Day, and for whatever reason, some regions got it, we did not. So we will just come up with a different deal, and this one's actually a little better. So this is what I got, guys. 3 of these Pantenes, they are 3 for $12, and nothing was even tagged at my store too. So it was kind of a little fact-finding mission for yours truly. We have a 3 off of 3 digital, which is fantastic. And then for this, the Colgate is $3.99 a pop, and we have a 5 off of 2, which is really fantastic. Buy 2 of these, get back $4 in Walgreens cash. Buy 3 of these, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Now, if you add up the Pantene and the Colgate, that's $19.98. I had a booster on my card, which was digital, which was to spend 20 to get back 5. So I threw in this bag for 19 cents. And the new total was $20.17 for the 3 shampoos, the candy, and those 2 guys. Now digitally, guys, I had the 3 off of 3 loaded and the 5 off of 2, so $8 came off. I paid $12.17 with my debit card. Because that's a spend booster, you must use debit card, credit card, cash bills for the balance. Don't use your Walgreens cash or it's just not gonna work out for you. And then I got back $14 in Walgreens cash, 5 for the booster, 5 for the Pantene, and then 4 for the Colgate. So it made this free plus a $1.83 moneymaker. So just to talk really quickly, yesterday I started getting a lot of DMs and emails from you guys. So thank you to all the people who sent me messages. Unfortunately, I was so busy with my Dollar General stuff that I couldn't like look for clearance stuff. So this is a limited edition. As you see, the little bear says summer edition. So these are summertime candies and they're 90% off. And I'll put the UPC a little bit more clearly in the next slide if you want to look for this exact one. I looked for this on an end cap and somebody cleared all of the clearance stuff except for this. And there's also tube cans of the Pringles, Wendy's cheeseburger chips that are supposed to be 90% off. At my store, they were still full price. They were $2.49. A lot of people are getting them for 24 cents. And the expiry date is 6/22. So next June, these guys expire. And they feel soft and, you know, they haven't expired. Last thing you want to do is buy bulk candy and then it like expires or it already has expired. So I got altogether 16 of these. So very delighted with that. And the original price point for these is $1.29, just to note that. Okay, so a little bit more clearance that I found, and always check the expiry dates for these vitamins because you don't want to buy something that's like really expired. It's on the bottom of most of them. So this Big Mama, which is 120 tablets, it was $1.49 each. My husband has been asking for vitamin C, especially going into the winter months, and I said, you know, I'll look for some. And I knew this stuff was 50% off, but for this lady, it's still too much. But at 90, I have no problem with that. And then we also have the more generic dress down one. It's 100 tabs and this was 70 cents. So this was a killer deal. And the original price point for this was $6.99. Original price point for this was $14.99. And then I also found this little guy in the clearance section and it was 13 cents. Okay guys, so this next one is a dead deal, meaning the deal has come and gone. It's no longer available. So this was early activation deal with the Dove because there was a promotion last week and then this week. So I put 6 of them in my basket on Saturday afternoon and crossed my fingers that it would work out. And then between 11 and midnight, you have exactly 60 minutes to do a curbside pickup and to fulfill it. And if there's a ton of people on the website, it's going to keep crashing. But I was able to get through because I was there for the first 5 minutes. See how confusing this already is? So anyhow, grabbing 6 of these, it was like just under $30. And then I had $5 of digital coupons. So I used $20 in Walgreens cash and paid $6. That included the tax and the balance. And then I got back $22. 10 for this week's promotion and 12 for last week's promotion. Buy 3, get 5, and then last week was buy $4 for 2. But anyhow, it shaked out for me to be $4 for the 6, which is really inexpensive Dove. And these sorts of deals, I should have made a video, but I just knew. I knew that this was such a hot deal that the site would have gotten crashed. I should have put money on it. So that's why I didn't really like talk about it because I know a lot of you this deal would have never happened. And the few shoppers that are really like Walgreens, you know, even they were having issues too. So I was very lucky to have it. And it's also what your store has in stock. And if there's a ton of couponers in your area, you probably wouldn't have got the deal. There's so many factors to it that it wasn't a very equal deal. But since I live super rural, I was able to get it. These sorts of deals, maybe on a smaller scale, not so hot like this one. In the future, I'll make videos. But if you were able to get this one yesterday, hey, it's a pretty cool deal to pay $4 for all of this. What a deal. And I was really curious to also test a curbside pickup. And then my deal was $6 after the $20 of Walgreens cash. And I was still able to pick it up. I wondered if maybe the 5 and the 6, that would be 11 and they tracked it that way. I don't know, but it still worked for me. Okay, guys, as always, thanks for watching. And if you liked this video and watched as long as you did, in the comments, write pizza. I'm just curious if you stuck till the very end of this babbling rant. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.